Hi everyone, CNXF here with InFocus, that's a Foxconn brand, CS1 A83 tablet. It's powered by Allwinner A83T processor. It's an octa-core processor with 8 Cortex A7 cores and SGX 544 GPU. So let's put the device. Okay, I need to press a little long. And it will start booting. And the boot is quite fast. It normally takes about 15 seconds, 15 to 20. Okay, we are done. So, my secret password. And this is the user interface. Of course, I installed a few applications. Let's go through the settings first. So you'll notice they changed the skin a little bit. We got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data usage, and some more options like tethering. It should support Ethernet, VPN, and portable hotspot. The home. Okay, I only use the default launcher. I installed the Google Now later. Okay, let's go around. Display, brightness, cast screen. They also have something called smart color. I don't think it's so important, but maybe it can improve the quality for the video, for the color. Here you have a demo mode where you can display both, but I'm pretty sure on my camera we will not see it. Okay, storage. Well, I'm on battery already. Storage. So they also says the memory information, like you get 2 GB RAM and 16 GB flash. And the internal storage has a single partition, which I find very nice. I hate when they have 2 partitions. It's always a mess. And then let's go to battery. Oh, Google Play services. Why? Okay. But anyways, the battery life is very good on this tablet, at least compared to my phone. I have no problem using it more than 24 hours on the charge, and I use it really maybe 3, 4, 5 hours per day. Web browsing, playing some simple games, checking emails, chatting maybe. Apps, users. Yes, so this is Android tablet, so you should be able to add multiple users, something I not tried. Location, yes, we'll check later if it supports GPS. And this is my accounts. I try. Let's go through the about tablet. It will probably sold under the CS1 A83 model name, but the model number inside Android is CS2107. So that's all I'll show for the settings. Let's check multi-touch capabilities. Multi-touch here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm not sure you can see. It's 5 touch, not 6, 7, or not 10. Maybe if we go to the web browser, but my internet connection is not very fast, so it's not very representative. But I can show when we zoom, and page loading time is okay. It's good. next step, maybe I show some benchmark scores. Oh, I haven't wrote them all yet. I've run N22. A lot of finger marks. Okay, the score is 26,000 points. If we look through details, it may not be clear, so I already have the screenshot in my written review on cnxsoftware.com. And while we talk about benchmarks, I also try N22 video tester. Oh yes, should be next to. Okay, I have to turn like this, and the score is 631. And we scroll, have some problem to play AC3 audio and a real video, but all video could be played, and except a real video for video. But the quality should be good because 631. You can compare it to the others, and it should be about similar to Meizu MX4 or Teclas P88A tablets. And finally, about benchmark, I also try A1 SD, but I think they don't keep the score after I reboot, so no, it's still there. So it's nearly 60 megabyte per second read speed and 30 megabyte per second write speed. That is very good, actually much better than the TV box I usually try. So I'll talk a bit about the camera. It's not really that good. I have taken samples at night, at day, with the rear and front cameras. Of course, with good lighting condition is acceptable, but otherwise is not so nice. And of course, there is no flash at the back, so at night that's not perfect. So GPS. So there is GPS. Now I'm under a small roof, so it may be harder to get a fix, but they already found I'm in Thailand. If I walk outside, okay, 3D fix is done, and they found we are in Thailand, and the accuracy is not too good because, as I said, I'm under a roof. But there is GPS, and I haven't tried that much. Normally I only use GPS when I'm running, so a tablet is not exactly convenient. So did I forget anything? I think I covered about everything I wanted to show. Oh, some games. So Candy Crush Saga. The SGX 544 GPU is quite an older GPU, but they clock it at a higher frequency, so sometimes, most of the time, it's okay. I find Candy Crush to be a little sluggish. Compared to some other devices, but that's fine. It's very playable, and if I try something a little harder, I think I have another game here. Did I install? Yeah. Riptide GP2. Press to start. Boom, boom, boom. So since the flash, the read speed of the flash is quite fast, it's loading fast, relatively fast. And the game, as you can see, is quite playable. Okay, how to exit here? Quit. Okay, so I think now I covered everything except something that did not work so well. That's the volume down button. Now I'm pressing the volume down button, no reaction. Volume up is working well, volume down not working well, except I press very hard and then it will work. I guess it's a early tablet, that's why I may have the issue. And the other small issue I had was with the Wi-Fi when I go in standby. Now the first few days it worked fine, but after I would always have to reboot to get to Wi-Fi. So that was annoying, and I set Wi-Fi active all the time and it works. Yes, I forgot one little thing I wanted to test, and that's the PDF. Some people like to read PDF on their tablets. So let's go to Odroid magazine. Oh. So it didn't load so fast this time. It's even very slow. Okay. But once it's loaded, let's go to the UC1 Odroid C1 article maybe. Oh. Yeah. And let's try to zoom. And the text is very clear, it's zooming fine, and it's scrolling quite okay. But this file loads a little slowly today. And there is some jitter when we zoom in out. The jitter does not happen with Foxit PDF reader, but scrolling is not as smooth. Okay, so this time it's really finished. So thank you for watching. You can read more details about the benchmark and get samples for the videos and pictures in the link below. Okay, bye bye.